So this is going to come in handy during the holidays. I've said this countless of times of how it helps me install toys or like build them or replace batteries, because a lot of those batteries sit behind a door or two tiny screws that you have to open in order to place those batteries in. So let me show you what this looks like here. So this contraption here will house your screwdriver. So if we press the top here, you're going to get access to all of the bits available for this screwdriver. So then we take this out, and as you can see, there are buttons right there on the top and bottom to screw and unscrew, and you have your easy to access USB-C port right there at the bottom. So then you take your bits out, say this is the one that I need, you place it right here on top, and then you can just go to work. And then once you're done, you can just remove the top, put it right back, and place everything nice and neatly into its place. So love that, quick and handy, always good to have it around. And especially when it comes to the holidays, you're gonna be using this more often than you think. So first item from Fantic that's on sale today.